Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious hot pot soup base. First, gather your core ingredients like fresh ginger, garlic, and green onions. Next, choose a flavorful broth, such as chicken or vegetable stock, as your foundation. Finally, prepare your desired hot pot additions, including thinly sliced meats, seafood, and a variety of fresh vegetables. These initial steps are crucial for a successful and tasty hot pot experience. Now let's build those rich flavors. Begin by sautéing your aromatics, like sliced ginger and minced garlic, in a tablespoon of oil until they become wonderfully fragrant. Then, introduce whole spices such as star anise, cinnamon sticks, and a few Sichuan peppercorns to the pot, stirring for about 2 minutes. Deglaze with a splash of rice wine or mirin to lift those delicious brown bits from the bottom, adding depth to your base. With your aromatics and spices ready, it's time to add the liquid. Pour in about 8 cups of your chosen chicken or vegetable broth and bring it to a gentle boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low and let your soup base simmer for at least 30 minutes, allowing all the flavors to meld beautifully. Finally, taste the broth and adjust the seasonings with salt, a pinch of sugar, or a dash of soy sauce to achieve your perfect balance. Your hot pot soup base is now ready. For a clearer broth, you can strain out the aromatics and spices, though many prefer to leave them in for continued flavor. Serve your bubbling hot pot base at the table with an array of fresh ingredients and a selection of dipping sauces, like sesame paste or a spicy chili oil, allowing everyone to customize their meal. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, as well as other great deals to enhance your reading experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.